What? Where going? I would say a very happy new year to you, a prosperous and a happy new year. I'm still thanking you once again for your subscription and then your share. I am so grateful to have you as a family, and I am so impressed seeing you watching my videos. You understand? Today I don't know, it's been very cloudy since yesterday. Not just cloudy, it's been raining since yesterday. We've experienced 24 hours of rainfall, and it's just a big surprise to the UAE. It's very, very much of a big surprise to the UAE because UAE is actually known for sunshines. Like during summertime, from June to November, but this time around, it seems it's been raining for 24 hours, and I just can't seem to understand. You can see it's drizzling. So, people who have been asking me about the temperature or the climate here in the UAE, this is what it is. We've experienced 24 hours of rainfall for the first time in about 4 years. Like 4 years, okay, maybe I'm 4 years. Last year I wasn't around, but last year I know there was no rainfall. You understand? But this year we've experienced 24 hours of rainfall, and this is my first experience here since the pandemic, since 2020, 2019 and 2020. Since 2019, this is my first experience here, seeing rainfall like this, and it's been for a continuous 24 hours. You understand? So for the first time, this is what is happening here. I don't know, there are people here who are actually with lots of experience. I don't know if they can speak our language, but I would love to get someone to interview and get. My friend, English malum? No malum? Tora malum? No malum? Oh, problem. Okay, so I wanted to get someone so that we could hold a little discussion with, and then, but it seems no one is kind of ready or willing to have a chit chat with us. We are still going to manage. Habibi.
माशाल्लाह बारिश बहुत अच्छा हो गया बहुत जबरदस्त बारिश
बारिश आया
बहुत नया मियां है ये जबरदस्त है ये मौसम का बहुत अच्छा मौसम है ये
okay
पावर दो
okay but you mix English
बारिश
first time बारिश this side so that's it for the rainfall, and that's it. We are still here. Boss, any news like rainfall this UAE first time raining? You how many kitna saal UAE?
UAE हम 5 साल
5 साल
नहीं आप उर्दू में बोलो
5 साल बारिश अरे 5 साल क्लास बारिश हो रहा है बारिश
हो रहा है
कितना टाइम
तीसरा बाल हो रहा है
Tisla baris 3 times so this one this is the 4th time this is the 4th time it's raining here in the UAE, like especially Sharjah as we are, this is the first time it's raining here. So okay Habibi, all good, probably good. You Pakistan okay, you Pakistan, so
okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Mashallah. So this is it. If you have, or if you formally ask me about the climate here in the UAE, this is it. This is what it is. We've had a surprise, the surprise of our time. We are experiencing rainfall and stuff like that. Jimieno, me record bi outside no. So ankasa, I just oh yeah, before. Come around the ground. So that is it for the climate, and then this is the updates we have to give you. And I'm most grateful for you joining me on this channel. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, share, and then let other people also have a feel of the content we are giving out here. Until we meet again, see you on the next one.